In this video, we are going to see how to fill an inspection report using BettyBlocks. In order to do so, we first need to log in to BettyBlocks. Enter your email address and click on the Next button. Enter your password and click on the Sign In button. Once you are signed in, the Properties link on the left-hand side is selected by default. Click on the My Inspections link on the left-hand panel below the Properties link. Once you click on the My Inspections link, a My Inspection screen would be displayed, which will list all your current inspections. Select the inspection that you want to fill. A new inspection report screen will open. This screen is disabled initially. You can click on the Edit button to enable the screen. Once you click on the Edit button, the screen becomes enabled and you can now edit the details on the screen. Scroll down to the Inspection Details section. The inspection date is auto-populated with today's date. The Inspected By field is auto-populated with the name of the person currently logged in. Enter the overall impression of the property in the Overall Impressions field. Since this is a test report, I am just adding the text called test. However, when you are doing the actual inspection, please try and be as detailed as possible. You can enter the internal and external premise details in the Premises section. Again, try and be as detailed as possible. You can also update the images. Click on the Add Image button against the Internal Image field to upload the image of the internal premises. Similarly, you can upload the image for the external premises. You can add the meter in the meter reading section by selecting the particular meter and clicking on the Edit button. Once you click on the Edit button, the reading screen becomes enabled and you can add the readings over here. The reading date is auto-populated with today's date. You can also upload an image of the reading. Once you've made the required changes, click on the Save button to save the meter reading. Now click on the Close button to go back to the previous screen. Again, click on the Close button. In addition to these details, you can also see a number of links on the right-hand side. In case you find any new issues during your inspection, you can log the incidents by clicking on the New Incident link. Once you click on the New Incident link, a new incident window will open. Click on the New button to add the new incident. The report date is automatically set to today's date. The property is also auto-populated. Select the type of the incident, the source of the incident, the urgency of the incident, and add the complete description of the incident. You can upload any images related to the incident by clicking the Add Image button. The radio button against the In My Castle field helps you to specify if this incident should be displayed in My Castle or not. Select the radio button Yes if you want to display this incident in My Castle, or select the radio button No if you don't want this incident to be displayed in My Castle. You can click on the Save button to save this incident. Click on the Close button to return to the previous screen. Again click on the Close button to return to the previous screen. You can check the occupied rooms by clicking on the Occupied Rooms link. Similarly, you can check the empty rooms by clicking on the Empty Rooms link. You can upload any inspection photos by clicking on the Inspection Photos link. Click on the New button. Add a description for the photo and upload the photo. Click on the Save button to save the changes. You can check the facilities by clicking on the Facility Checks link. The available facilities would be displayed on this screen. To add a new facility, you can click on the New button. To update an existing facility, you can select the facility and click on the Edit button. Add the details and click on the Save button to save the changes. Similarly, you can see the service details by clicking on the Service Checks. If there are any available services, they will be displayed on this screen. You can click on the New button to add the new services. Any existing services can be updated by clicking on them and then selecting the Edit button. This is similar to the changes made for the facilities. You can also update the meter readings by clicking on the Meter Readings link on the right hand side. Click on the Meter Readings link and then select the meter for which you want to update the reading. Click on the Edit button. You can add the new reading here. Click on the Save button to save the new reading. You can also add your inspection notes. The earlier inspection notes would be displayed on this screen. You can click on the New button to add a new inspection note. The date entered field is auto-populated with today's date. You can add a description. You can select the On Website checkbox if you want to display these inspection notes in My Castle. The Show an Inspection checkbox is checked by default. This means that these notes will be displayed on the inspection report. You can uncheck this checkbox if you don't want to display the inspection notes on the inspection report. After you have made all the changes, click on the Save button to save the inspection note. Click on the Close button to go back to the previous screen. Again, click on the Close button. Click on the Save button to save all the changes. Once you have made all the changes and saved the data on the inspection report, a new Send Inspection button would be displayed. You can click on the Send Inspection button to send the inspection report to the client. These are the steps that you need to follow to create and fill the inspection report.